everyone, Jake here, back with some more model unboxings and reviews. This time we have 3 GeminiJets models. As seen here in front of the camera, we got the UPS 757, we got the Breeze Airways E190, and the Aeromexico 737 MAX 8. 3 awesome models. Excited to have these in my collection. We'll go ahead and get started with this Aeromexico. We'll put these other 2 to the side. Picked this up from Waffle Collectibles from one of their collection sales, as I've needed an Aeromexico MAX 8 for a while now. They do fly to LA fairly regularly. I know the MAX 9 is another one that has been released and I'd like to get. It just doesn't really appear at LA a whole lot. But so here's the standard box. This was a let's see, a 2018 release. Not sure which month, but there you have it. We got some details up here, as always. Their registration is X-Ray Alpha Mike Alpha Golf, so XA Mag. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we got. I have an Aeromexico 737-800. Got the E190, and I finally now have the MAX 8. So super excited to have this in the collection. Alright, nice paper, taking it out. Here's the model. Alrighty. Alright. Put it off to the side. There we go. I'll zoom in here. Check it out. Alright, so here we have it, the Aeromexico 737 MAX 8. So you got the little Sky Team logo right there, you got the mag there down on the nose, landing gear door. Some alright details. Mold doesn't look too bad. Got the Aeromexico titles, the little Mexico flag, that nice sort of red stripe, red wave through. Got the engines a little tilted. This one's a little tilted upwards. This one looks pretty good. Classic GeminiJets issue. But overall looks pretty good. Got the winglets, splits looking nice. The MAX splits. Got the antennas, the Wi-Fi dome. Got the reg at the back there. Like I said, XA MAG. Got the Aeromexico logo there at the back. And mag on the top of the tail there with the red. Looking real nice. It's definitely got that sort of like higher nosier, so like the MAX does in real life. Got that sort of nose up attitude. And you have the car doors on this, the baggage doors on this side. But very simple other than that. You got the overwing exit, 2 of them, and you got the markings on the wing. You can see, as well as the reg. There we go. Then underneath, same thing, and just plain and simple. So that's the model. That's the Aeromexico 737 MAX 8. Nice to have this. Fortunate that engine is a little tilted upwards. Can't really do anything about it. Seems a little flimsy, to be honest. I just played with it, but I can't really tilt it down, unfortunately. But that's overall a very nice model, though. That's the only thing I can see that's an issue with it. So go ahead and put this off to the side. We'll zoom on out and get ready for the next one. We're going to go into the Breeze Airways E190. E195, should I say. This is a 2021 release. Forget which month. It's towards the end of 2021. I've had it sitting around for a while. Just haven't got to do the video of it. I've seen these in real life, really nice looking livery. Breeze is a new upstart that's been flying around like out of Tampa, New Orleans, to the places like Charleston, Richmond, Virginia, and various other places across the Northeast, Midwest, etc. One thing to note is that they have gotten the A220-300. GeminiJets has also released that, and I have that on one of those on order. They'll be flying in and out of LA. The E195 probably won't be seen in LA for a while, if at all, but I just still picked this up because it's a nice model to have. Looks really cool, and I can say I have like the E195 and the A220, so I have the fleet of Breeze Airways planes, the whole fleet basically, the 2 aircraft types. But here we go, so the standard box, just like this. Got the information. Don't mind the reflection, you can kind of see me in the background. Registration November 190 Bravo Zulu BZ. Let's go ahead and open it up. There's the model. Oh, there we have an issue already. I haven't opened this up, but would you look at that. Classic GeminiJets. There's the nose gear up in the corner right there. That's unfortunate. GeminiJets. They're good old quality control issues. Pathetic. Yep, that's the front landing gear. I'm gonna have to take this off to the side and take a look at this here. See if I can fix that. Where'd it go? It slipped back in there. Ah, boy. Absolutely unfortunate. Well, there you have it, guys. There's the aircraft. Nose gear missing. I'm gonna have to... There it is. Alright. It's not a huge issue because I can easily just kind of glue this back in. But quite sad that that's the case, you know? I shouldn't have to be doing this. And I paid how much for this model, and you know, it's a small model, but you pay so much and then it comes broken. It's just real unfortunate. So I'll try and get this to sit in here. It's not really gonna sit in at all, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to go and work on this outside. Yeah, whatever, we're just gonna leave it like that. So that's how we're gonna be reviewing it, guys. Unfortunately, until I actually like flip it upside down, get some tweezers, some super glue, that's all I'm gonna get out of it. So there we have the Breeze Airways broken E195. So some nice details around here. The nose, something about the nose of the GeminiJets mobile for the Embraer just looks a little off. I think I've always said that in terms of the E175 and the E190. But there's the Breeze Airways titles. Got the engines, got the wings or the winglets. Flybreeze.com at the back there. Not sure what that little marking is right there. Oh, some little compartment doors and whatnot. Very nice. Good detail there, though. They got that all marked out. Then the registration there, 190BZ. Back door, and then that check mark, Breeze sort of tick. There's looking at it this way, the engines. Obviously a little gear. There's nothing, no detail on the gear door or anything. It's just kind of broken off there. And so you can see this side. Got the little baggage compartments and whatnot. But just unfortunate. It's honestly not even surprised. Here's the bottom, which is nice. The Breeze does this. You got like the Breeze on the bottom, Breeze belly, I'd say. So got this little like sort of fin there at the back. No, that's another thing. No antennas or anything on the E190s. That's something they should probably like look to add in the future. So this is an old mold, clearly. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for this model. We'll put this to the side. I'll fix that gear later. And yep, nothing I can really do about that. But classic GeminiJets, honestly, real unfortunate. Pay so much and that's what you get. So let's zoom out to the last model, which is the UPS 757-200. This is a 2021 release as well. They've released quite a few of these. I know there's been quite a few on the market. I've just never gotten one until now. I finally decided to pull the trigger and get one when I had some money. They fly in and out of LA on a regular. Even though UPS doesn't have a huge presence there, it's still a good aircraft to have even for other airports in the future. But yeah, so here we have it, standard box. We got the brown. There we go. Got the details right there. And there's the aircraft. Let's hope that this one isn't broken. I don't see anything floating around in the box or in the container, so that's good. That's always a good thing. Alright. Plastic off. Looks good to me. That's nice. Alrighty. One of their better molds for sure. Everything. Alright, so here we have it. UPS 757 freighter. Got the nose here with the cockpit windows looking real nice. Got that one door there. Got the main upper deck cargo door right there with worldwide services. Nose there looking good. Some details right around at the bottom there. Moving along, got those nice Rolls-Royce engines. Looking real nice. And then you got the registration November 464 Uniform Papa. Some little details in and around here. UPS at the back on the tail. And spin it around. Taking a head-on look. This side you just have the two lower deck baggage doors. So very simple model, very nice model though. You got the antenna on the front there. On top, and I don't think there's any antennas on the bottom, but here's what the bottom looks like. So yeah, there you have it. So simple review for this one, but very nice. Rolling landing gear. So yeah, there we have it. Those are the three models, the three GeminiJets models with the nice broken Breeze E190. Love to see it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Highly recommend all these models if you can get them. Hopefully they don't come broken. Any of them come broken for you guys. But oh yeah, just so you know, the UPS and the Breeze purchased them from Panda Fox Toys. Love that place. They always provide free shipping, give you little discount codes here and there. Really nice, great service, fast shipping, everything. So highly recommend them. But yeah, so anyways guys, stay tuned for more model unboxing videos and stuff every Monday. Hope you all enjoyed. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.